Hey friends, welcome back to the Destination Baby and Kids YouTube channel. This is Gina. I'm at the Peg Perego booth at the ABC Expo 2025. As you can see here, we have the YPSI Bassinet. So what's really exciting about this new model that I wanted to make sure that I showed you guys is we have some pretty fabulous new textiles. So we're going to show that briefly. And then we'll also, come on over here, cameraman, I want to make sure that you can see the interior. Extremely nice new thick mattress. And then something else you'll notice on the inside here is we have some darker color differentiation that looks like mesh, and that is going to be for aeration. So a lot of times with these bassinets, if they are overnight sleep certified, which this one is, sometimes baby can get hot. So it's a really nice feature to be able to open up the aeration there, and then you also get it actually near the head of the stroller as well. And then you're also going to have aeration up here on the actual bassinet canopy. So all of this is pretty fabulous. Again, this would be able to clip onto your YPSI stroller, but we did find out it also fits onto the Vivace, so it is sort of your choice depending on which stroller you're going to do. But something that's pretty fabulous about this bassinet in particular is that they've made it height adjustable for this year. So you will pinch the little pinchers on either side, and then you have this option to adjust it to several different spots as you want. The bassinet stand can still fold to go away for later on, but just a nice additional feature that no matter where your bed, low or high, you can have it be directly next to it, and then also in any other part of your home. So go ahead and check out my other videos on the fabulous brand new Peg Perego products being offered in the new year for 2020.